Okay, my friend Will here. So in this video, I'm going to show you with the recently added feature to the signal service, the manual entry. I'm going to show you an upgrade version where you can actually automate the whole process using our FXA's MACD divergence support and resistance indicator. I call it the MACBot SR. Okay, so it's just our MACD divergence, and we're able to enter at our support and resistance lines. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, and then it's completely up to you if you want to actually use this version with your trading. Okay, so each week you receive your signals. Okay, these are the signals. Now, with the new feature, the previous video that you've watched, we're looking for a MACD divergence signal on a 1 hour, 4 hour chart within 30 to 40 pips from our signal entry. Okay, signal entry is our pending order. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you now is actually how to automate this, so you don't need to be staring at the charts and looking for the trades. All you need to do is get my signals on Sunday, and then you can program the trades in, program the EA in if you choose to upgrade. Okay, so we're on the Euro Kiwi chart here. Okay, we've got the EA loaded. Okay, so a few things we need to do here first. Okay, we need to look at our entry. We need to mark our entry on the chart. So last week our entry was the Euro Kiwi, and the entry is 178.2. Okay, 178.2. So it should be about there. That should be a bit. Okay, so that's it there. Okay, we're close enough within a, yeah, to pepper 2. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so what we need to do here first, okay, we need to put a prefix in this line here. The reason being because the EA will then start searching for signals around this line here. Okay, so what we need to do is put in SUP. That is going to be a prefix. You'll see in a minute in the EA. Okay, so that's a prefix, and we will hit OK there, and then we'll go to the EA settings. Okay, in this case, last week we were looking to buy the Euro Kiwi, so we're only looking to go long. Okay, make sure you have allow live trading, and then you put your inputs. Okay, so pretty simple. Lot size here 0.1. Okay, value to risk, or you can do a value to risk here account, whatever, either one you want to do. Okay, next our stop loss and take profit. Okay, so what you need to do is measure your stop loss and take profit. Okay, so Euro Kiwi, our stop loss was 120 pips and our take profit was 720. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put that into the EA. Okay, so the take profit was 720. Okay, so just pay close attention to this so you understand what I'm doing here. So 120 pips was your stop loss. Okay, next features is re-entry divergence. You will select false. Okay, close it up as divergence. Yes, it's a good idea here because we like to close your trades at the end of the week. If an opposite divergence happens during the middle of the week or after your trades happen, it's a good idea to just let it go so you automatically take profit, takes profit for you. Okay, so we'll have that set at true. Next one we'll have classic divergence. Okay, make sure that's on, only classic divergence. Okay, next one, we're only looking to enter the market once. Okay, so have one in there. Okay, then indicator settings, which is the MACD divergence indicators. Okay, so the only divergence type we're looking for is the classic divergence. Okay, so make sure that is set at classic. Now, this is our prefix support line, resistance line. Okay, threshold pips here. This is what we're looking for here. Okay, That is recommended to use this in a VPS, or you have to have your computer open all the time. Okay, so the threshold pips is, like I said, we are looking, you look at the settings here, but within 40 pips, start looking for signals within 40 pips of our entry line, which is here. We've already programmed that in. So we'll select 40 pips, okay? Now, personally, I like 30 pips, okay? But it's up to you, okay? Get you more accurate entry, okay? Next one, the time frame settings, okay? So time frame only current, you select that as false, okay? And like I said in the previous video, like it says on the signal here, MACD signal, we're only looking to take signals of the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Okay, so that's it. 4 hour and 1 hour. Okay, it's pretty simple to do, and a quicker way to do this, if you want to do it on all your things, you just have to change the take profit every time. You just select save and just do signal EA settings. Okay, and save. Okay, so that's it. Make sure allow live trading's on. Make sure the position is only long. Okay, it's only going to look to take one signal around that area. It's all programmed. Make sure on a Monday that auto trading is turned on, and you will have a smiling face on your EA. Okay, and you can either program the EA with all the signals and just wait for the best signals are going to be the ones with the divergence indicator. Okay, you don't have the ones that don't enter, or you can do both. Okay, you can have it all set, every single position set with the actual pending orders and the EA set to take a trade. Okay, so it's up to you. You can test on 2 different platforms. You can test the EA on one platform and the manual trading on another platform, just the manual signals with the pending orders. It's completely up to you. But this here is going to allow you to maximize your gains with our signals, with the entries I give you each week, because it's going to take the actual powerful signal around these areas, and you're going to get into the market. It's going to be automated. It's like last week, this one would have got in here, and it would have closed on an opposite divergence up there, so you would have got nearly 370 pips there. So you could have come back, even though it didn't hit the take profit. You had the close of opposite divergence signal on the 1 hour charts, and it worked out. We got 370 pips off that. Okay, similar story last week on the, what do you call it, Euro Aussie. Okay, again, you got on the 4 hour chart, you got 2 signals here. You got a divergence buy and then a divergence sell here. So that was a closing opposite divergence. So you would have been out of the trade automatically, but you probably would have been monitored anyway. But it does get you out automatically. That's why that feature is there. It allows you to maximize your profits without having to worry looking at the charts. Okay, so there is a price tag to this. It is an upgrade. It is just if you choose to do it. It is 397. Okay, it's very powerful. It basically, using these signals, you'll make your money back very, very quickly from it. It's only available for you, my signal clients. You can use it with other methods, but if you're using our signals and using the signal service, it's a very, very powerful upgrade option for you. Okay, so when you access this, just click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching and happy trading.